Getting started with ChatGPT through trial and error can take a lot of time. And with all these new updates and tools coming from all over the place, you need a solid foundation to stay sharp or a lot of patience. Hi, I'm Leo, and welcome to my course on getting started with ChatGPT for practical, everyday use. With over a decade of experience in marketing, and now being a full-time product manager for AI R&D products, I'm here to make complex concepts simple and actionable without having you spend 40 hours watching repetitive videos. In about 2-3 hours, yes, just right about your Netflix night, you'll go from beginner to a confident ChatGPT user. Now, how we do it this fast? Well, we don't spend 10 minutes talking about creating an account for each tool mentioned. Instead, we go over a quick, structured introduction and move on building the skills that you can actually use with confidence day to day. Here is a list of what we'll cover. Discovering ChatGPT, its limitations, alternatives, and core features. We'll discover actionable prompting techniques for everyday use. We'll learn to handle inconsistencies, hallucinations, and plagiarism. We'll learn to create and use custom GPTs. We'll also learn about modalities and tools beyond ChatGPT. This course is perfect for beginners who want to integrate ChatGPT into their daily work without feeling overwhelmed. It's suited for all ages. Whether you're a marketer, a student, or just a professional looking to expand your skills, get more confident and fluent with ChatGPT, this course has got you covered. So thank you for considering my course. I invite you to have a look at the course contents and preview the lectures that are available for free preview. If you're ready, enroll now. Don't wait. Anyway, can't wait to see you there.